made it to my favorite place in the city, Seongsu, and had to come back to Cafe Onion. I came here like 2 years ago, I guess, in 2023, and I loved it. The pastries are off the chain, the coffee's amazing, so yeah, waiting for my coffee now. This is like my favorite place, so vibrant, like full of fashion, full of cool stuff like that. I love it. 잘 먹겠습니다. Chan. Genuinely one of my favorite coffee places in all of Korea. And we got some pretty nah pastries as well. This one won like first place in a pastry competition apparently, bulgogi beef, some cheese one, and pesto, basil, bacon.
Bread.
Shibao. Alright, so I've spent about 40 minutes in Seongsu already, and I've already bought 2 things. One of which I actually had to wear out of the store. These jeans were like too nice not to wear right away. So far, big success. So we came to Heiri Coffee. It's those of you who remember, I was really into Singles Inferno season 4, and the guy Jongsu owns and runs this one. So as much as he was the villain of that season, the coffee's really good. Rated. We're going to go train again this morning. First we have to have a proper breakfast. So rolled omelette and 2 types of kimbap. What's this one? Spicy pork and some squid one, which I'm not sure I'll try much of, but I'll do my best. And of course we are back in Bisec. So cool this time. Again, I got like a local energy drink. So let's get warmed up and get into it. activewear shopping time in Apogee. So Freedom and Born to Win and 8 Stacks. Spend more money. Actually won't be shopping here, but nice to see.
Oops.
안녕하세요. Now we're in the right spot. This is my favorite brand, maybe in all of Asia, to be honest. Just trying to spend too much money. So, probably gonna end up buying a decent amount here, which is fine, because I've got the off season to train for, so it kind of makes me feel like it's worth it. But this place is so... Yeah, now we're in the biggest department store I think I've ever been in my life. Trying to find one more activewear brand. But it's lovely. And then I really need a cup of tea. So you know what it's like in Asian countries, you can get milk tea anywhere. But so far I haven't been able to find, so let's go. I mean, just can't keep me away from shoes though. Oh, I'm low on battery. Where are we now?
Cheonggyecheon.
Cheonggyecheon. And it's beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, and it's like a nice, I guess, evening hangout spot. Yeah, lovely. Got a Pyrex jug of beer, and it's like budae but tteokbokki. Last day in Seoul. I feel sad, but we are going to Hyundai Mall. Yeah, and then the Han River, which would be lovely. So yeah, going to be another day of shopping, but this time for cosmetics, and then I have of course you can't come to Korea without doing skincare stuff, so then I have a skincare appointment. And yeah, that might be a top 10 lifetime coffee. And 2 of them, big size, only 26 dirhams. So cheap. Han River, absolutely beautiful. And all the leaves in the autumn. Perfect. You can't come to Korea without doing some kind of skincare beauty thing, so here we are.
2층으로 1분 만에 올라갑니다.
지하 안반층에서 지상까지 총 555m의 높이를 스카이 셔틀 초속 10m 속도로 이동하시겠습니다. 천국의 중심, 서울의 아름다운 전경과 랜드마크를 즐겨보세요.
You are about to travel 555 meters at speeds of 10 meters per second on our sky shuttle. At the heart of South Korea, we hope you enjoy Seoul's breathtaking cityscape as well as our landmark buildings.
하늘이 새로운 세상에 오신 걸 환영합니다.
Welcome to a whole new world in the sky.
You can't really do the last day in Seoul without doing Lotte Tower. And I've never done it before, so I have to say the views are pretty amazing. Unbelievable. You just enjoy it. We had to wait till the last day to get this done, but we're getting it done nonetheless. Americano, banana milk. So, from what I understand, I need to drink down some of the Americano. Open this bad boy up. Yeah, that's gonna be good. All right, and let's combine. Oh, please be enough. That is unbelievable. Rated. Love it. But on a serious note, that is the Korea trip finished, sadly. Feel sad, feel bad. But time to go back to the training, back to my routine. And it was a nice break, it was well needed. Like non-bodybuilding, or very little bodybuilding, and just lots of enjoying life. I think I needed that after how long this season was. Now, I'm really ready for the off season, so. Yeah, less travel content, more informative content coming your way until Christmas. Go from there.